finally stopped. Finally. So now, y'all know what time it is. It's about time for her to get another bath, but we're gonna get loaded up and go hit the water. Yeah, she's definitely dirty, but she'll do for today. These rod holders on here. Shout out to Yak Attack. These are also all Yak Attack rail mounts. There's no rail mounts anywhere on this boat. I bought those rails from Yak Attack and these rod holders from Yak Attack for the boat. It's also a paddle holder, but I use it to hold my measuring board. All from Yak Attack. We got our Yak Attack rod holders over here, and then we got our Railblazer rod holders over here on this side. I need to get another one of these mounts because I can put the mount in one of these rails, and I got another rod holder in the house I need to add onto the boat. Just gotta get me another mount and it'll be good to go. Alright, that's enough talking. It's time to get this boat loaded up. Sun came right on out. Alright, now that we got the boat all in the boat, strapped in, now we just gotta throw our rods in, and we can get the Mega Live and battery and all of that stuff hooked up when we get to the lake. Look at that steam coming off the house from the rain. What rods do we want to take today? We got 5 rod holders. It's been raining all day. The sun just popped out. Might throw a little top water, chatterbait. I'll leave that today. Let's take this. That's 3. Let's take this. That's 4. And a drop shot rod. Alright. Made it to the lake. Things first, slip these rods out of the way for now. just got some rain. This water looks like it's cleared up some though since the last time I was here. On the ground. Boom. Let's get her loaded up and get on the water. Alright, so right here I got my Helix 10 G4N Humminbird. And we're going to show you how we hook it up on this paddle boat that we fish out of. Excuse me. Alright. First things first, let's get that head unit put on. And not only are we going to show you how we have a fish finder on a pedal boat, we took it a step farther and we're going to show you how we have Mega Live hooked up on a paddle boat. So first things first, we got our Railblazer Hex 30 here for our transducer mount. Cable going down the boat, velcroed in, keep the wires out of the way. And then we have this switch panel here where all the power is coming to. We have an amped outdoors 30 amp lithium battery plugged up right here. This thing just plugs right in. Wired that up to this switch panel. Now we got power. That's power to the head unit, and then this one is power to the actual transducer. Alright, so that's how we got power on a paddle boat to be able to have fish finder and Mega Live. Alright, got everything put on the boat. Fish finder, measuring board, transducer for the fish finder, power going to fish finder and the transducer. We're gonna have some fun today with this little guy. I don't know if y'all seen this or not, chat. We are live on Twitch right now. Rods, tackle. Let's get on the water.